Which is better, doors that open inward or outward? Dear friends, when choosing a door, many people wonder whether it should open inward or outward. The answer depends on safety, space, weather, and convenience. Both options have their own advantages. Inward opening doors are the most common choice for homes. They are easier to secure because the hinges stay inside the house. This design also protects the door from strong winds and rain. In bedrooms and living rooms, inward doors feel more natural and comfortable to use. Outward opening doors, however, can save valuable indoor space. They are often used in small bathrooms, balconies, or commercial buildings where every inch matters. In some areas with heavy snowfall or strong storms, outward doors may also provide better protection against pressure from outside weather. Safety is another important factor. Emergency exit doors usually open outward because they allow faster evacuation during a fire or emergency. That is why many public buildings follow this design. The best choice depends on the room layout and purpose of the door. If security and traditional design matter most, inward opening doors are usually better. If saving space and quick exits are the priority, outward opening doors can be the smarter option. Before deciding, always consider safety rules, available space, and daily comfort in your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.